What up, y'all? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Got Sloppy Joes tonight. Check it out. There's bacon in them too, so bacon Sloppy Joes. But onion, a little bit of leftover mushrooms, ketchup, a little bit of mustard, garlic, bam, water. Let it simmer for a while. Cilantro on top there, some cheese on the very top. Hope you recognize that. Anyway, let's dig in. But first, let's get this shot right here. The top bun. Yeah. Fucking thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, that shit was dope. Here's what it looked like before I hit some bread. Fucking all good. Pound of grass-fed beef, a handful of onions, couple handfuls, I guess. Some bacon, a little bit of mushroom, probably about a quarter cup of ketchup, maybe half cup, and then a little bit of mustard. You know, like enough for a sandwich, just put it in there. It adds to the flavor. Salt, pepper, garlic salt, cayenne pepper, a little bit. I put habanero hot sauce in there. Really spice it up. Yeah. And I also made some peas. Yeah, motherfuckers. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming back, checking out what I'm doing tonight. This shit was easy, it always is. I try to stay away from bread, but sometimes I don't. It's not good for us, you guys. But it's everywhere. Anyway, thanks for checking in. Please smash that subscribe button and the like button, and share this video, tell your friends, all that cringy YouTube crap, and please watch one of these next videos on screen. I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Chronic Eats out. Peace.